Hey, it's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's day 2 of being creative while staying at home. And the challenge today is to use your lenses. So what do I want you to do today? I want you to do a portrait of somebody you love with a wide angle lens. Whether that's your husband, your wife, your significant other, your bird, your cat, your dog, but I want you to use your wide angle lens to do a portrait. And I know in the world of photography, that's against the rules. But everything we're doing these days is against the rules. Wide angle lens, portrait. And then I want you to take your telephoto lens and do a close-up. So put the lens at manual focus, set the lens to the closest setting and the most zoom, and we'll do a close-up. So close-up with your telephoto lens and wide angle lens portrait. And then you're gonna post those to hashtag Paul's Photo and hashtag Creative Photo Academy. And yes, there will be a prize for the best portrait and the best close-up. It will be lots of fun, and we're gonna be creative. We're gonna keep this up for the whole time that we're all in quarantine. We're home alone. We're keeping our social distance because photography is fun. Photography will save us, and photography will get us through this and let us still retain our creativity. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy reminding you, call us if you need anything. Free shipping on many items, and certainly free curbside pickup if you need. And you can order anything you want at paulsphoto.com, even your prints at the lab from paulsphoto.com. Have a great day. Stay safe, everyone.